The verb get is a very common word in English. It is used in many different ways, and it can have many meanings. Today, we will learn about the verb get and how people use it in everyday life, especially with phrasal verbs. We will also look at examples in the present, past, and future. First, let's talk about the basic meaning of get. Most simply, get means to receive or to obtain. For example, you can say, I get a letter every week, which means you receive a letter every week. Or, she gets a gift on her birthday, which means she receives a gift on her birthday. In the past tense, get becomes got. So you can say, I got a letter yesterday. In the future, we use will get. For example, I will get a letter tomorrow. But get can also mean to become. For example, I get tired after work, which means after work, I become tired. In the past, you can say, I got tired yesterday after running. In the future, you can say, I think I will get tired after the trip. Now let's talk about get as a phrasal verb. A phrasal verb is a verb plus a preposition or adverb like get up, get on, or get off. Each phrasal verb has a different meaning. Here are some of the most common phrasal verbs with get. First, get up. This means to rise from your bed, usually in the morning. For example, I get up at 7 o'clock every day. In the past, you can say, yesterday, I got up at 8 o'clock. In the future, tomorrow I will get up early. Second, get on. This means to enter a bus, train, or any kind of public transport. For example, I get on the bus at the station. In the past, I got on the bus 5 minutes ago. In the future, I will get on the train at noon. Third, get off. This is the opposite of get on. It means to leave or exit a bus, train, or other public transport. For example, I get off the bus at my school. In the past, I got off the train at the last stop. In the future, I will get off the bus at the next stop. Fourth, get in and get out. These are usually used for cars or taxis. Get in means to enter a car or taxi. For example, I get in the car before going to work. In the past, I got in the taxi yesterday. Get out means to exit a car or taxi. For example, I get out of the car at my office. In the past, I got out of the taxi in front of my house. Another common phrasal verb is get along. This means to have a good relationship with someone. For example, I get along with my classmates. In the past, when I was a child, I got along with my neighbors. In the future, I hope I will get along with my new colleagues. Get back is also very common. It means to return. For example, I get back home at 6 p.m. every day. In the past, I got back late last night. In the future, I will get back from my trip on Sunday. Now, let's look at get together. This means to meet with other people, usually for social reasons. For example, we get together every Friday. In the past, we got together last weekend. In the future, we will get together for a party next month. Next is get over. This means to recover from something, like an illness or a difficult situation. For example, it takes time to get over a cold. In the past, I got over the flu last month. In the future, I hope to get over my cold soon. Now let's look at some more examples for each phrasal verb, using different tenses. For get up. Present, I get up at 7 every morning. Past, yesterday I got up late. Future, tomorrow I will get up early. For get on. Present, they get on the bus together. Past, she got on the train yesterday. Future, we will get on the plane tonight. For get off. Present, he gets off the bus at the next stop. Past, I got off the train at the wrong station. Future, they will get off the bus soon. For get in. Present, I get in the car quickly. Past, we got in the taxi because it started to rain. Future, she will get in the car when she finishes work. for get out. Present, they get out of the car at the park. Past, he got out of the car and went into the house. Future, we will get out of the taxi at the restaurant, for get along. Present, I get along with my sister. Past, they got along very well at school. Future, I hope to get along with my new friends, for get back. Present, I get back from work at 6. Past, she got back home late. Future, we will get back before dark, for get together. Present, we get together every month. Past, they got together for coffee last week. Future, I will get together with my friends on Saturday, for get over. Present, it is hard to get over a bad experience. Past, he got over the flu in 2 days. Future, she will get over her cold soon. These are some of the most common ways to use get and its phrasal verbs in English. Remember, get is a very flexible word, and it can change meaning depending on the words that come after it. Practice using get in different sentences and with different phrasal verbs, and you will improve your English very quickly. It is helpful to listen to people speaking English, watch movies or TV shows, and read simple text to see how get is used in real life. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to understand and use get in all its forms. Keep practicing, and soon you will feel more comfortable with this important English verb.